Hi guys, let's get to know each other. Today this video is about me and you guys. We're gonna know each other and then maybe by the end of this video we'll become friends. Actually today I been making videos for almost a year now, and today I thought that I've been making video for you guys and you guys don't even know me, and today finally you guys are gonna know me. My name is Nyajima. Hi, I am Nyajima, and I'm from South Sudan. I am a mother of 3 marriage. Current right now I'm a student, and I am managing my household as well, creating this video. I love to cook. I love food. You love food? You are my friend. I love creating new recipe and I love learning new recipe across the countries. I like making different kind of recipe and I love to learn. I love learning new recipe too. And today was a very good day, and I just said let's make a video and then you get to know my followers and my subscribers, and they can know me too because it's been a while now and I've been posting, and I'm very happy with you guys because you guys have been supporting this channel. You guys have been watching videos and liking, and I would love you can share your opinion there. One thing I like about cooking is give me joy and peace. When I'm sad, I like to cook. When I'm happy, I love to cook too. I like to cook anytime. Anytime I like to cook. One thing I like about cooking, I take it as simple, bringing people together, because with food, you can bring different culture, different people together, and they can be united. Food is a very big thing in human being life. Food is like water. Water and food, we cannot live without them as human beings. They are a very important part of our life. You like cooking, you like me, I like to cook. And about that, I lived in Kenya before and I have like 8 years there, and I like to make Kenyan dish sometime I have time. And I am a working lady. I work and a mom taking care of the house and the kid. I would say like I'm a half working mom and a half housewife and a half everything actually. I'm a mom, a wife, and a student. Everything. So like you're like me. Just keep doing what you're doing. You're doing good. It's good to be a part of something beautiful like raising children, or maybe be a part of something beautiful like cooking for your own kid or cooking for your family. It's something to something to give you joy, and it's the memory that doesn't go away. And that is the thing that people love the most, and I do love that one a lot. Especially when I like go to someone's house and that person made the food itself and he cook. I like the food a lot. But I'm not saying that I don't eat out. Yes, I do eat out. I like 2 to 3 times a week. I like to order and I like to eat out too with my kid, like going to a restaurant, going somewhere. But at the same time too, I love to cook. Yeah, it's not a bad thing going outside and eat. It's good to go and eat. So the recipe for today we are making sauce. Actually, it's called sauce. It's the main ingredient is eggplant with a yellow pepper and orange pepper, and then garlic, and then some bit of spices and peanut butter. But I know a lot of people are allergic to peanut butter, but you can still make it without peanut butter. You can still make it work, and it can still be amazing. Yeah, but like the main ingredient is eggplant and peanut butter, and then a lemon. These are the important recipe. These are important recipe in this dish. But you can make it as you like. You can bake it, you can make it differently. There's many ways to make eggplant, and this is one of the recipe too. And I like the way that it tastes and the way it's like remind me of everything I've been growing up with. You are the person who grow like the person like being in northern Sudan or Sudan. This sauce is common among those people. They make it like special for guests. Maybe adding it to the dish they are making, like they make it as a side dish, maybe as a side something to have with bread, and then or maybe like gada or something. I don't know, like something you can have at the middle of the day. You like. Depend how you choose to have it, and some people can have it for like lunch or dinner. It's depend. Like that was my peanut butter. I'm using that. Currently I live in Canada. I came from South Sudan. I was in Nairobi and then came to Canada. So yeah, and I wish to build this channel, and I would like to connect with you guys. If you guys want me to make anything, you can comment in the comment section and I will make it. You guys have in mind and you guys have a recipe in mind, just you can comment it in the comment section and let me know what I should make next. I will be happy to hear from you and I will be waiting. I know sometimes it takes time for my video to get views, but when they do get views and you watch until this end, I will know you watch when you type a purple heart or when you comment. And let me know what should I make next. What can I make? Let me know what can I make next. I'll be happy to. I like to try new recipe. And this channel, we are learning and as well giving the recipe we know already. And to let you guys know, this is like cooking, like blog, like cooking, like we share recipe here. There's like nothing. It's not replacing anything. It just you like something like recipe, you can take and you can do it yourself. You don't like, it's fine. You can still let me know too, because all of us we are different. The thing you like, maybe I won't. The thing I like, maybe you won't. That's how it is. But it's good to let's know what to make and what to do. And I love to try a new recipe. You're watching from India and from United States, from United Kingdom, from Africa, from anywhere in the world. You have a recipe specific in mind you like, type in the comment section and I will be sure to make that one and I will be happy. So far we fried that and looks so good, and we gonna put the lemon inside to make sure it's give it that taste we're looking for, like sourness, but not too much sour. Yeah, because eggplant is tend to be a bit bitter, but with lemon, it's like slow down the bitterness he had. And you can wash, when you wash too, like when you cut it and wash it right away, you reduce the bitterness too. So what we really want, actually I did went and buy yogurt, but I got a coffee Greek yogurt one, but you can use a white yogurt. You don't need to use a Greek coffee one. Yeah, you can use white Greek. It's really good, but this has got coffee inside, because I like coffee. But it's good to sometimes try a different thing on you, because this is new to me. I never tried Greek yogurt with coffee, but I just wanted to know. I was curious how it's gonna taste with this, but it still gave me the same taste though. It was amazing and still delicious. You like watching my videos? Thank you so much. I have many videos inside this channel and many different recipes. You can see like easy recipe when what you can make when you're tired, and they are so beautiful. You may find what you like. You go inside the channel, and some of them you will see them at the end screen. You can click what you like and you can watch, and you can support the channel by liking and watching this video. You feel generous too, you can subscribe. I know nowadays we don't just subscribe, we like get to know someone first and then you subscribe. But now I think you know me by now. and I will surely know you subscribe and comment about something in the comment section. That should bring us to be close in this channel, and it's really good. Look at that. Look at the beauty of the food. So beautiful. Food is something you can never go wrong. It doesn't matter. Food talk in different language. Can be from different world, but it's still the same. See you there.